Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by choosing the right protector for the bolt diameter. This prevents cross-threading and ensures fit. Once done, clean the threads thoroughly with a rag and solvent. Make sure there is no oil or grit. Next, align the protector's opening to the start of the thread and hold it steady. Use light pressure only. Forcing it will damage both protector and bolt. If the protector has a directional lip, orient that lip toward the bolt head before sliding it on. Once the protector is hand-started, continue by seating it evenly across the first 2 to 3 threads. This keeps alignment true. Then use soft jaw pliers or a non-marring tool to press the protector fully into place. Avoid twisting motions that could shear the lip. If the application sees vibration, apply a small drop of medium-strength thread locker where protector meets thread, but make sure it won't block future removal. Finally, confirm the protector sits flush and spins freely with the nut or mating part. To finish, inspect protected threads visually and with the mating part to guarantee full coverage and sufficient clearance. If something feels tight, back off 1 turn and re-clean the threads. Dirt or a tiny burr often causes binding. Once clear, reseat the protector slowly and test fit the nut or connector. If it still binds or you feel resistance, remove and replace the protector. Cracked or deformed protectors are more harmful than helpful, so swap to a new one.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.